since Slam Fest last year.
Yes, sir.
And you want to know the funny thing? We're actually, after this show, we're taking all 5 amps out and we're redoing the back wall.
Really?
Yeah, because after talking with Chris about it, I put a piece of 3/4 inch vinyl wrapped.
I'm gonna prop that back door open with my antenna.
Okay. I put a piece of 3/4 inch and then I framed it like a wall, like at a house. 2x4s with like 6-inch gaps.
Yeah.
And he said, dude, no man, we got to make that back wall just solid, just 2x4s. So we're gonna cut into it and get that done. And then while we have that back wall out, we're taking it up to a place in Longwood, Florida, and they're fixing that bag. They're gonna rebag. The bags that are on the van are 20 years old, and there's a slight leak in that corner up there.
Yeah.
So I always have to keep pumping it up as I drive, and it gets tiresome.
Yeah, I bet.
It does. So
all that weight.
Yeah. But you want to know the funny thing? This is my backyard. I grew up 4 miles that way. Right
Really?
away. Yeah, I grew up 3/8 of a mile away from Tim Tebow.
Okay.
I went to Forest High School right there.
Nice.
I was a rebel.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Used to go to Cruising Tunes and Rolling Sounds.
Really?
Cassette, all that shit.
Okay, you can sit in. Let her hear it, man.
Come on.
Awesome, man. And it's so clean, too.
Well, Chris, over here, McFadden, I managed to get a DD1 from a friend and a scope, and we went all through this van literally just doing each individual amplifier. We did add the 8s down here.
Nice.
And because we had 2 extra lines on one of the S4s. He goes, fuck it, throw 2 8s down there, Chappie.
Right.
Close this off so the air doesn't come around this.
Yeah.
Let's continue the air forward.
That's a good idea,
and,
too. Yeah. Have you metered it, or is it just demo still?
No, I don't.
Never threw it on a meter just for fun?
Mecca's like, dude, please come down. We'll do it for fun.
At least do it just to hear it, yeah.
We'll
Perfect.
do it today.
But don't break the window. You
We'll
probably
do it
won't.
today.
You
We'll
got
do
this
it
thing
today.
solid, so.
We'll do it today.
Yeah, awesome.
We'll do it today.
Nice to meet you again, man.
Man, it's always good to see you.
Yes, sir. We love seeing them, man. Appreciate it.
I know. I say, try to check it out at Slam Fest, too.
Yes, sir.
Here, come on.
Nice.
Come on.
Bitch in this place, I feel so lucky. You wanna hug me? What Ross would hug me? Okay, now he was cold. Tried to domesticate you, but you're an animal. Baby, it's in your nature. Just let me liberate you. You don't need no pills. That man is not your man.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.